about this place?
Huh?
Tell us something about this place.
I'm not a guide.
But you're from Calcutta, right? You should know a little more than us. Tell us what it is, right? You know what it is.
What is that?
Other one called? उसका नाम क्या है नया ब्रिज का?
Oh, Naya Bridge ka, and it's called Notun Hugli Setu. Notun Hugli Setu. That is called Rabindranath Bridge, something like that. New Hugli Bridge.
Are you enjoying your time here?
Huh?
Are you enjoying your time in Cal?
And we are heading to Babughat now.
Babughat is not here, no? Not.
Yeah, we are heading to Babughat. This is a small stoppage from Ferry Ghat to Babughat. And after this, we will be heading for Babughat. And there we are going to meet Bhaiya. Hope so.
Who's going to take us for lunch?
Yeah, he's going to take us for lunch. And don't know about the rest.
I wanted to do some very urgent favor for me. You
6
call
out
this
of 10
guest
minutes he's on phone.
so you ask for Pawan Hunt's reservations office number. Pawan Hunt is a helicopter space. You ask them for the Pawan Hunt helicopter reservation number.
Direct?
Yeah, call upon the reservation number.
अच्छा है, इसमें good video.
Helicopter ride from Babughat Airport to
Pawan Hunt.
Gangtok.
Helicopter ride with Howrah.
Babughat, Bhagdogara.
That's Hugli Bridge in the background. The girl peeping out.
Babughat.
From covered by Bonnie. The waters of the Ganges. As you see it at the T, I don't think you can see too clearly.